What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about All Day Slimming Tea before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the All Day Slimming Tea works. What is All Day Slimming Tea? All Day Slimming Tea is a natural weight loss supplement that has gained remarkable popularity in recent times. Crafted from a meticulously selected blend of herbs and botanicals, this tea claims to offer a holistic approach to weight management. Its unique formulation aims to support the body's metabolism, potentially aiding in fat burning and promoting overall well-being. How does All Day Slimming Tea work? All Day Slimming Tea, a potent fat metabolizer for day or night use aiding weight loss, mental relaxation, and improved sleep quality. Morning tea contains natural ingredients, including monk fruit, known for calorie cutting and weight loss facilitation, and ginseng root, boosting immune system and overall health. Dandelion leaf and orange peel support weight loss processes and reduce inflammation. Green tea promotes weight loss and mental wellness. Evening tea comprises peppermint leaves, licorice root, and fennel fruits, enhancing digestion and reducing calorie intake. Thousands have reported successful weight loss with All Day Slimming Tea, regardless of age or gender. For quicker results, pair with a nutritious diet. No need for strict diet plans with regular consumption. All Day Slimming Tea ingredients. All Day Slimming Tea is thoughtfully formulated with a blend of natural ingredients, each believed to contribute to its potential weight management benefits. While the specific composition may vary depending on the brand, some common ingredients include Morning Energy Tea, Awesome Tea, Dani Lily Departs, Camboga Garcinia, Gymnema Root, Fruit of the Monks. Evening Detox Tea, Organic Mint, Flow Fruit, Orange Rind, Peel Cinnamon, Organic Honey, Turmeric Root. Benefits of All Day Slimming Tea. All Day Slimming Tea offers a diverse range of potential benefits for those embarking on a weight loss journey. While individual experiences may vary, proponents of this tea highlight several advantages it may offer. Weight loss support. The herbal blend in All Day Slimming Tea is believed to promote natural fat burning, aiding in weight loss efforts. Improved metabolism. Certain ingredients in the tea, such as green tea extract and oolong tea, may help boost metabolism, leading to increased calorie burn. Reducing bloating. All Day Slimming Tea's natural diuretic properties could assist in reducing bloating and water retention. Digestive support. The tea's composition may support digestive health, leading to better nutrient absorption and reduced cravings. Increased energy. Users report feeling more energized and revitalized with regular consumption of All Day Slimming Tea. Detoxification. The tea's antioxidants may contribute to flushing out toxins from the body, promoting overall detoxification. Enhanced hydration. All Day Slimming Tea is a low-calorie beverage that encourages hydration without adding excessive calories. All Day Slimming Tea bonuses. Buying All Day Slimming Tea you get 2 amazing bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 is the Slim Over 55 program. Bonus number 2 is Healthy Fat Loss Desserts Cookbook and Videos. All Day Slimming Tea Guarantee. All Day Slimming Tea where to buy. You can actually test All Day Slimming Tea out for 60 days. If you don't see results or if you don't like it for any reason, they'll give you your money back. So it's completely risk-free. You will only find All Day Slimming Tea on the official website. So take advantage of this offer today by clicking the link below to secure your discount.